All right, so we're going to pretend to go through Canvas. The fact that you have not used Canvas, or at least many of you haven't, is not a problem. Neither has Abby. Well, actually, she's used a little. All right, so the persona, Abby is a computer science professor. The course that Abby's teaching happens to be called CS 352. I happen to know CS 352 very well because I myself have taught that course, and in fact, I myself have experienced this scenario. So Abby has given a lecture on GenderMag, and she wants to make the captioned GenderMag video available to her CS 352 students. This is our scenario or our use case. Remember, we talked about how we have to do that? So we've chosen our tool, it's Canvas. We've chosen our persona, it's Abby. We're now choosing our scenario. Abby wants to make the captioned video available to her students. Abby's been told it's in her My Media space on Canvas. Okay, now Abby is familiar with Canvas. She uses it for her course, but she's never tried to do this. So the feature set is new to her. It doesn't make sense to use GenderMag on a feature set Abby already knows. Okay, so you use it when Abby doesn't already know the feature set on how you do this. All right, now, usually we go through the sub-goal evaluation as we go along, but to speed things along, I'm going to just do that part for you. So we're going to start by evaluating sub-goal 1. So in the scenario, Abby still, as I've said, she wants to make the captioned video available. And the first thing she wants to do to get there is she wants to get to that video and find it. That's the sub-goal we'll start with. So here's what Abby's looking at. This is her class webpage, CS 352. Notice my name's splattered all over everyone. As I said, I experienced this very scenario. And of course, she is familiar with how you get to Canvas. She's done it before. So I'm going to just, so she knows how to get to Canvas. But that's not what we're evaluating. We're evaluating get to the video.